Hey guys! Welcome to School Subjects Online. Who here hasn't gotten totally sucked into the social media vortex, scrolling for hours, watching TikToks until your eyes are blurry? It's all fun and games until you close your phone and feel kind of crappy. Social media can be amazing for connecting with friends, laughing at memes, and staying up to date on everything. But let's be real, sometimes it leaves us feeling insecure, anxious, and totally drained. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the psychology behind social media, how it affects our brains, and most importantly, how to use it in a healthy way that doesn't leave you feeling like you need a detox from your own life. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first. Why is social media so addicting? Why do we crave those likes and comments? Well, it's not just because we're all attention-hungry monsters, though maybe a little. Every time we get a notification, a like, or a DM, our brain gets a little hit of dopamine. Dopamine is released when we eat chocolate, hang out with friends, or, you guessed it, scroll through Instagram. Dr. Anna Lemke, a psychiatry professor at Stanford, says social media is designed to give us these quick bursts of pleasure, which feels amazing in the moment, but can leave us wanting more. The problem is, too much of this dopamine rush can mess with our emotions and our ability to focus on real life. Okay, so we know social media can be a major dopamine dealer, but how does that actually affect our mental health? Let's get real for a sec. First up, comparison and insecurity. You're scrolling through Instagram and you see someone with the perfect life, they have the perfect body, the perfect job, the perfect avocado toast, and suddenly you feel like your life is, kind of blah. Dr. Melissa G. Hunt from the University of Pennsylvania found that the more time students spent on social media, the more likely they were to feel anxious and depressed. We're constantly comparing our messy, behind-the-scenes lives to everyone else's highlight reel. It's a recipe for feeling like you're not good enough. Then there's FOMO, fear of missing out. You see your friends hanging out without you, and even if you'd rather be home watching Netflix in your pajamas, suddenly you feel this pang of loneliness. FOMO is a real thing, you guys. Studies have shown it can increase anxiety, especially in teenagers. And speaking of anxiety, let's talk about sleep. If you're anything like me, you're guilty of scrolling through TikTok until 2 a.m. But that blue light from our phones is actually messing with our sleep. It suppresses melatonin, which is the hormone that tells our bodies it's time to sleep. And less sleep equals grumpy Rachel. Social media apps are literally designed to keep us hooked. Think about it. Infinite scroll, autoplay videos, notifications popping up every 5 seconds. It's like these apps are playing a game with our brains, and they're winning. Phone, it's because these apps are designed to be addictive. Okay, so we've talked about all the ways social media can mess with our minds, but what can we actually do about it? Don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to delete all your accounts and go live in a cabin in the woods. Unless that's your vibe, then you do you. First things first, set some boundaries. Literally set time limits on your apps. Most phones have built-in screen time settings. You can even set it up so that after a certain amount of time, the app will, lock you out. It sounds intense, but trust me, it works. A 2018 study found that students who limited their social media use to 30 minutes a day reported feeling less depressed and lonely. Next up, unfollow anyone who makes you feel like crap. Seriously, if seeing someone's posts makes you feel insecure, jealous, or just kind of icky, hit hit that unfollow button. You don't need that negativity in your life. Let's be real. Following people who make you feel bad about yourself is like self-sabotage at this point. And while you're at it, try following some accounts that inspire you, make you laugh, or teach you something new. There's so much positivity on social media, you just have to curate your feed to find it. Here's a big one. Stop posting just for likes. I know, easier said than done, right? But seriously, you don't have to post every day to stay relevant. And you definitely don't need to post things just because you think they'll get a lot of likes. Focus on sharing things that are authentic to you, even if it's just a picture of your dog or a funny meme you saw. And speaking of sleep, keep your phone out of your bedroom. This is a game changer, you guys. Charge your phone in another room or put it on Do Not Disturb mode at night. Your brain and your skin, let's be real, will thank you. And finally, replace scrolling with something meaningful. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through your phone, try reading a book, going for a walk, or calling a friend. Your brain needs real-life interaction, not just digital dopamine hits. Okay, I know we just threw a lot of information at you. So here's your challenge for this week. Ready? It's the Screen Smart Challenge. For the next 7 days, I challenge you to spend 1 hour a day. Yes, you heard me right. 1 whole hour. Completely off social media. That means no scrolling, no posting, no liking, no commenting. I know, it sounds scary, but trust me, you can do it. And to make things even more interesting, unfollow 3 accounts that make you feel less than. Think of it as a digital cleanse. Out with the negativity, in with the good vibes. And finally, put your phone down 30 minutes before bed. This will give your brain a chance to wind down, and you'll be surprised how much better you sleep without that blue light messing with your melatonin. I know it sounds like a lot, but trust me, your brain and your mental health will thank you. Plus, you might actually have time to read a book, learn a new skill, or have an actual conversation with another human being. Okay, let's be real. Social media isn't all bad. It can be a great way to connect with friends, discover new things, and waste time when you're bored. But it's so easy to let it take over our lives and start messing with our mental health. The good news is, we have the power to control how we use it. We don't have to let it control us. So choose wisely, set those boundaries, and always protect your peace. If this video helped you feel even a little bit more in control of your social media habits, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more real talk about mental health. Because let's be honest, we could all use a little more of that in our lives. Until next time, stay mindful, stay kind, and stay real, both online and offline.